Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your storyteller, ready to take you on amazing journeys through different tales. How are you guys? Today's audiobook is The Gene, An Intimate History by Siddhartha Mukherjee. Let's get started. Chapter. In The Gene, An Intimate History, I embark on a profound journey through the complex world of genetics, interweaving personal anecdotes, historical narratives, and scientific exploration. The book serves as a biography of the gene, its discovery, its implications, and its profound influence on our understanding of life itself. I begin by reflecting on my own family history, particularly the impact of genetic disorders that have shaped my ancestors' lives. My narrative is steeped in personal resonance, as I recount my uncle's struggle with schizophrenia and my family's grappling with its legacy. This personal lens allows me to explore the broader implications of genetics on identity and health, drawing readers into the emotional and ethical questions that arise from our genetic makeup. As I delve into the history of genetics, I recount the groundbreaking work of pioneers like Gregor Mendel, whose experiments with pea plants laid the foundation for our understanding of inheritance. I vividly describe the moment Mendel's insights were rediscovered in the early 20th century, igniting a scientific revolution. I feel a sense of awe as I connect these historical threads, illustrating how the gene emerged as a fundamental unit of life, intertwining biology and destiny. The narrative takes a dramatic turn as I explore the darker chapters of genetic science, particularly the eugenics movement. I confront the moral failings of scientists and society, revealing how the quest for genetic purity led to horrifying consequences, including forced sterilizations and genocide. This exploration is not merely historical. It serves as a cautionary tale about the potential misuse of genetic knowledge. I grapple with these ethical dilemmas, asking difficult questions about the responsibilities that come with scientific discovery. As I progress through the book, I delve into the intricate structure of DNA, the double helix that holds the secrets of life. I describe the excitement of the 1953 discovery by Watson and Crick, capturing the thrill of this scientific achievement. The elegance of the DNA molecule becomes a metaphor for the beauty and complexity of life itself. I share how this moment ushered in a new era of genetic research, one that promises to unlock the mysteries of diseases and traits. The narrative then shifts to contemporary genetics, including the Human Genome Project, which aimed to map the entire human genetic code. I recount the race among scientists, the triumphs, and the setbacks, bringing to life the personalities involved in this monumental endeavor. My portrayal of these scientists is rich and nuanced, highlighting their motivations, struggles, and the collaborative spirit that drove the project forward. This section emphasizes the power of genetics to not only illuminate human biology, but also to redefine our understanding of what it means to be human. Through my exploration of genetic engineering and CRISPR technology, I illuminate the promise and peril of manipulating genes. I vividly describe the potential to eradicate genetic diseases and enhance human capabilities, while also grappling with the ethical implications of designer babies. The excitement of possibility is tempered by caution as I reflect on the profound questions of consent, equity, and the unforeseen consequences of altering life at its most fundamental level. As I weave through these themes, I also reflect on the nature of heredity, how genes interact with the environment, shaping who we are. My exploration of epigenetics reveals that our genetic destiny is not solely predetermined. It is influenced by our choices, experiences, and surroundings. I share stories of individuals whose lives illustrate this dynamic interplay, emphasizing that while genes provide a blueprint, they do not dictate our fate. In the concluding chapters, I return to the personal. I consider my own role as a physician and a researcher reflecting on the ethical responsibilities that accompany the power of genetic knowledge. I ponder the future of genetics, envisioning a world where the benefits of genetic research are accessible to all, rather than a privileged few. My narrative becomes a call to action, urging readers to engage in the conversation about genetics, ethics, and the future of humanity. Throughout The Gene, I aim to blend scientific rigor with narrative depth, inviting readers to not only understand the science, but to feel its implications. I strive to make the complex accessible, to evoke wonder and reflection, and to inspire a sense of responsibility in the face of rapid scientific advancement. My journey through the intimate history of the gene is ultimately a reflection on what it means to be human, an exploration of our shared biology, our individual stories, and the choices that shape our lives. In essence, The Gene is not just a book about genetics. It is a meditation on identity, morality, and the intricate tapestry of life. As I conclude this exploration, I leave readers with the understanding that the story of the gene is still being written, and we are all part of that narrative. The legacy of our genes is intertwined with our choices, our compassion, and our collective future. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe the Sonic Library for more audiobooks. I hope this story left you with something to think about. Stay tuned for more new videos.